Is your Android phone taking forever to charge? Don't worry, this video will walk you through 12 quick fixes to help restore your device's charging speed. First, understand that slow charging is often a built-in defense mechanism. Your phone actively monitors conditions to protect the battery, which can lead to slower charging speeds when necessary. To diagnose the issue, consider the 4 pillars of charging speed: your hardware, the environment, software settings, and the overall health of your battery. Start with your hardware. Your phone and charger must be compatible to support fast charging. Using a low-power USB port or an incompatible adapter will significantly slow down the process. Check your charging port for debris. Dust and lint can block the electrical connection, preventing a proper charge. Keeping the port clean is a simple but essential step. Heat is the enemy. If your phone is too hot, it will automatically reduce charging speed to prevent damage. Keep your device in a cool area while it charges. Background apps and heavy usage during charging consume power, slowing down the rate at which your battery fills up. Try closing unnecessary apps or letting the phone rest. Review your software rules. Check your battery settings to ensure that fast charging and adaptive charging features are correctly configured to optimize your charging experience. Keep in mind that the quote 80% rule is normal. Modern batteries naturally charge slower as they reach full capacity to protect the cell's integrity. Be aware that as batteries age, their internal chemistry changes, leading to a natural loss in capacity over time. This is a common factor in overall charging performance. Try this simple home test. Cool your phone, close background apps, use a direct wall charger, and wait 15 minutes to see if the charging rate improves. Safety first. If you notice signs of a damaged or swollen battery, stop charging immediately. Never attempt to charge a visibly damaged battery. Follow this path to troubleshoot. By checking these steps sequentially, you can isolate the specific cause of your slow charging issues. We are committed to keeping you connected. If you continue to experience issues, consider having a professional test your phone's battery health.